Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Youngstown, Ohio, and home of Taylor-Winfield Technologies. Taylor-Winfield Technologies is a leading global provider of advanced welding and joining systems, offering innovative solutions to various industries such as steel, automotive, aerospace, energy, electronics, and defense. With a history spanning over a century, the company has built a reputation for delivering high-quality, reliable equipment and exceptional customer service. As a capital equipment manufacturer, Taylor-Winfield provides standard and custom-engineered parts production solutions all under one roof. From concept, design, engineering, assembly, and test, they have the expertise, resources, and commitment to ensure quality equipment and total support. Traditionally, Taylor-Winfield has been known for their robust welding machines for the steel processing and parts production industries. But as technology has evolved, so has Taylor-Winfield. That's where their automated welding solutions continue to push their team to access the latest and most advanced technologies available. At the heart of Taylor-Winfield's innovation is their state-of-the-art R&D facility. Here they focus on improving part quality, optimizing welding and heat treatment processes, and establishing machine performance criteria. This dedication to research, development, and aftermarket support ensures that customers benefit from the latest advancements in resistant seam and spot welding, flash welding, projection, and multi-gun welding. In summary, Taylor-Winfield Technologies combines technological innovation, expertise in welding and assembly solutions, and a customer-centric approach to offer unparalleled value to its clients worldwide. Whether you're looking to enhance part production quality or seeking cutting-edge welding technologies, Taylor-Winfield is your go-to partner for all material joining needs. For more information, please visit taylor-winfield.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.